fuck? There you go. Oh, that Pepsi tastes weird. Probably because you've been eating Pringles and drinking vitamin water. That's it. Nope. Girls won burp contest. I always make weird expressions. I can't burp anymore. Don't fart. Whatever you do, don't fart. Oh, with that boy earlier. You laughing and then you just farted with it. I was like, oh yeah, me and Spats looked at each other just like, what the fuck? We kind of laughed a bit. Okay. I'm the shortest one here. Well, it kind of goes tallest, short, shortest. Yes. It went back inside me. Wait, give me that, give me that. Okay. I really wasn't paid good with Pringles. Nope. Wow. Yeah, burp. Nope. Tasty. Oh my god, that feels amazing. No, okay, what you do, okay, you burp, okay, but don't, like, do what you normally do. Try and force it out as, like, loud as you can. Like that. Try it, it's funny. Oh, I need to burp, but I can't. Go, burp! I can't! Baby burp!
McDonald's at a bar, E-I-E-I-O, and on this Barbie.
Fuck. My parents are probably like, what the fuck? What? My parents are probably like, what the fuck? It's okay. Okay. I think it's the TV. Yeah, the TV. I thought it set off a car alarm. It sounds like a demon. Oh, me. Yeah. I'm like a fish. No, you're a crab. Yeah, that's right, I'm a crab. I'm very crabby. Gross. Apparently. No. Nice timing! I don't have epic timing! Do something funny when you do it now. She can't even do it! She just always makes funny faces. I know! It's like, oh, I'm gonna eat you! ahead. Fuck it, though. Shut up! Who's it? Okay, we'll have it timed. She goes first, then me, then you. Okay. But we have to do it like right in a row. Okay? Okay. I just can't burp right now. That sounds so innocent. It's just like, I just can't burp right now. It's more of that ginger ale thing. Stuff that came out of your nose earlier. It's like my kids can. No more? That's what you got. My giant penis. Come on, Old MacDonald had a farm, yeah, and on this farm he had some girls. Yeah, that does not sound right. Burp, burp here, and burp, burp there, here, burp everywhere, burp, burp. I don't know, I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, I'm waiting for a burp to come up. I can't burp anymore. Because sometimes if you burp too much, you have air in your stomach still. Ugh. And your stomach feels weird. Yeah, until you burp again. Ew. Okay, I think that's all. And she still really likes my tail. There. Okay, now two.